Long-barreled firearms use magazines. They are ammunition reservoirs and carrying the bullets into the bullet chamber. When the trigger is pulled to fire, the sear retracts and the hammer is instantly released. Then the hammer strikes the firing pin of the bullet with full force. In a chain reaction, the firing pin strikes the primer of the bullet, igniting the gunpowder and causing a powerful explosion. Immediately afterward, the bullet travels through the barrel is ejected. The pressurized gas propelling the bullet escapes through holes in the gas port when the bullet travels halfway through the barrel. This gas, in turn, strikes the gas piston with immense force. As a result of this impact, the gas piston slides rapidly backward due to the force of the gas. The unused iron part of the projectile then ejected through the gap. It compresses the hammer again and returns it to its original flat position when the mechanism moves sharply backward. The compressed spring is released, and the topmost projectile is quickly loaded into the chamber. In this way, everything returns to normal. With each pull of the trigger, the gun is ready for the next shot in this scenario.